Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about week 5 of critical writing and review, and our first topic is going to be writing and analysis of an argument. I don't wait for moods. You accomplish nothing if you do that. Your mind must know it has got to get down to work. Okay, then we're talking about analyze an argument. Most of your writing in other courses will require you to write an analysis of someone else's writing. Then we have to talk about examining the author thesis. It's part of the writing analysis. Then we will talk about, obviously, you must understand an essay before you can analyze it thoroughly. You must read it several times, not to just skim it, but you must think critically about it. Just like when you're reading, you have to understand what that particular thing is talking about. Understand what that particular writing is talking about. It's not just you go through, and think you've got to know. You have to look deep, check deep, look inside, get the most important facts. Then also say the writer always has a thesis. It could be the main claim or point, and you must try to locate that point. Then also talk about, if you're looking for evidence that you are reading, if you're looking for evidence when you're reading an argument, there are two elements: transition, that implying drawing or conclusion, like such as therefore, because, for the reason, that, consequence, like for all this, therefore, because, you know, understand what's happening, why is it happening. You have verbal implied proof such as confirm, prove, disapprove. You also have examining the author's purpose. While in an argument, try to form a clear idea of the author's purpose. The first question is this: judging from the essay of our book, is the purpose to persuade or is it to report? Like the author's purpose, what is the purpose? Why did the writer write this thing? What is his making? What is he trying to tell us? What does he want us to get from it? Does he want to persuade us to do something, or does he want another thing? So like that. Then we talk about examining the author's method. What method did he go through with? How did he go through? What did he use? How did he get to it? Then we also talk about examining the author's person. In establish a person, writers adopt various critical strategies. What kind of person is this? What kind of person is this? Through the book, you can understand what kind of person it is. And you have examine the author's audience. Another key element in understanding an argument has thinking about the intended audience, how the author persuades the audience, and what strategy the author uses to comment it. Authors who want to convince the audience need to think about how they present themselves. Then we talk about organizing your analysis. Then we talk about the summary versus analysis. Okay, my reaction to this response: while reading an argument, try to form a clear writer of the author's purpose. While reading the argument, just you have to think about it. Why was this written? What can I gain? What is the purpose of this being written? Then also you have to understand that essay before you can analyze it. Understand what you're reading, understand what you're seeing before you analyze it. Thank you. See you at week 6. Schools.